Hi there, students. Colloquial. Colloquial, an adjective. Colloquially, the adverb, and I guess even a colloquialism, a noun. Okay, if somebody is using colloquial language, it's informal. Yeah? Colloquial. It's talking about words, expressions, a way of speaking that is much more suitable for speaking than for writing. It's informal. It's the way people speak normally. Yeah, when two people have a conversation down the pub, they use colloquial language. Yeah, informal, everyday, non-literary language. Okay, something that is informal. Yeah, so yeah, colloquial style, conversational style, colloquial expressions. Bloody hell, God blimey, look at that. Yeah, these are all colloquial expressions, colloquial language. Yeah, colloquial speech. Okay, so a colloquialism is a colloquial term. Yeah, it's the sort of phrase that somebody would use when speaking. Yeah, it's casual conversation, it's casual communication. Um, let's see, it's also maybe distinguished by the fact that the syntax isn't always correct. Yeah, um, I ain't got. That's definitely a colloquialism. Yeah, you wouldn't use that formally at all. Okay, so the syntax and the grammar is not necessarily correct, and the language used is changing quite rapidly. It's quite easy for a colloquialism to come into the language. Okay, so it's just not formal, non-literary language, the type of language that two friends would speak to each other when speaking together. So colloquial, how formal is this? I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I would say you could use it anywhere. It's a touch on the more formal side, but I would say that you could use it informally. And then let's see, as to origin, well, it comes from the phrase a colloquy, a conversation, which itself comes from colloquium in Latin, meaning a conference or a conversation. Con, together, and loquor, to speak. So when people are speaking together, they use colloquial language. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Colloquial.